Hey, hi buddies. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, in our previous sessions, we have discussed until basic filtering and advanced filtering, right? In our today's session, we are going to discuss about merge columns, split columns, and transpose. We are going to learn about these three topics in our today's session. Okay? For that, I opened a Power Query. I'm gonna load the data. My data is in Amazon Data India Excel file. I'm gonna load orders table. Click on OK. Okay. So table got loaded successfully. I'm gonna search for the columns which have the related informations. Okay, I found them. Postal code, city, state, and country. These four columns related to address, right? So I'm gonna combine these four columns into one column. I'm gonna rename the column as address. Okay, see guys, whatever the order I'm gonna selecting the columns, in that order only the new column will be created. Okay, first I'm gonna select postal code, click on it, hold control, click on city, state, country. In this order I wanna create the new column. Okay, under transform I have a merge columns. Okay, separator, I'm gonna separate those sentences with comma. I'm gonna give the new column as address. Click on OK. See guys, first I selected a postal code, then city, then state, then country. In that order table got created successfully, right? Okay guys, we did this using GUI option which is under transform tab. So guys, we can do this same action which is under add column tab also. Here we have a merge column, right? We can do this from here also, but the difference is we created this column using under transform tab, right? If you look for the columns which we have selected previously to create this address column, those columns will not able to see here. Okay, for example, in home tab, choose columns, go to columns, search for city. Is it right? No. Search for country, it is also not there. Search for postal code, it is also not there, because we used the transform tab GUI option. For that case, whatever the modifications we did this table, those modifications will land on the same column. Okay, if we did this same operation using add column tab, we can see the previous selected columns, because if we use GUI option under add column tab, it will create the separated column. Okay, but transform tab creates the new column in the same existed column. That's why we cannot able to see the previous columns, but in this case we can see the previous columns. I will show that to you. I'm gonna remove this step. Okay, I removed that step, that's why we can see these columns. Okay, this time I want to change the order. First I'm going to select country, then state, hold control, state, city, postal code. In this order column will going to create it. Okay, under add column, merge columns, separator, comma, column name, address. Okay, column got created successfully. You can find it here. This is the address table, address column, right? This is address column. Which columns helped us to create this column? Those columns also here. Okay, we can go from here. Postal code, you can able to see here, right? Postal code and city, state, country and region. Okay, that's the difference between using transform tab geo options and add column geo options. Okay guys, what is the next one? Split columns. Okay, split column. We have combined the columns. Now we are going to split it 4 ways. For that, I have already city and state, postal and country columns, right? For this step, I'm gonna remove these columns because I have address column, right? I have all the 4 columns information in that one column. I'm going to split that column into 4 columns. I can rename the columns like here. Okay, that's why I'm gonna remove these columns from this table. Remove columns, remove columns, remove other columns. If you click on this, all the remaining columns which hasn't selected, those columns will be deleted. So I'm gonna click on this. So selected columns will be deleted. Okay, selected columns deleted successfully. I'm gonna split this column into 4 columns. Okay, where is this split? Under transform, we have split column, right? Here by delimiter. Delimiter means comma, which has used as separator. Each occurrence of the delimiter. Okay, I don't want this, none. Okay, click on OK. Okay, columns got splitted successfully. Address 1, country, right? Address 2, state. Address 3, city. And address 4, postal code. I'm going to rename CO. Okay, and this one state, and this one city, and this one postal code. That's it guys. This is all about split column and merging columns. What is the remaining one? Transpose, right? For that, I'm gonna load another table under new source, Excel workbook, under column transformations. I have transpose table. Click on OK. Okay, table got loaded successfully. The intention behind using transpose geo option, it will turn the columns into rows into columns. Okay guys, uh, these are the columns, right? These are the columns, these are the rows. Okay, if I use this transpose option, these rows will become columns and the columns will become rows. Sorry, some background noise is coming. Click on. Okay, sorry guys, reorder columns. No, I don't want this step. Control shift, click on it. All columns got selected. Here under transform I have transpose. Okay guys, here I want to do one thing before applying transpose option on this table. I'm gonna remove this. Here I wanna use headers as first row. Okay, now successfully I can use the transpose option on this table. Control shift, click on left arrow, click on it. Under transform tab, transpose. Okay guys, this time I have to promote first row as headers. Okay, here you can see it. Region, we have region wise sales. Okay, columns got successfully turned into rows, rows got successfully turned into columns. Okay guys, I'm gonna duplicate this table again. Here I'm gonna give it transpose 1. Okay, I'm gonna change this columns and rows. I'm gonna switch these places again. Okay, use first row as headers, use headers as first row. Okay, successfully got turned. Okay, now I'm promoting the first row as headers. Okay, see guys, here in the row wise you found east, west, north, south, right? But in this we have got years. So successfully transpose option got applied on this table. That's enough for today's session. Thank you guys. The persons who are watching my videos without subscribing, please be subscribed and click on like button, then only I can reach many people. Thank you guys, have a nice day.